Your dad's a really good carpenter.
Yeah,
Fortunately, Papa isn't a very good carpenter. Side support frame. I have to read the instructions. Not very good with instructions, but this is support frame side support type 2. And that one is support frame side support type 2. Support frame side support. Now, I don't know if these screws might be a little bit too long. I hope they don't go through plywood into the tin. They shouldn't. So I'm checking to make sure the plywood in the tin, and then another ½ an inch, I should be good. So 2 more brackets in the center here. I had some helpers. I don't know what happened to them though. Okay, you're right. Now it's videoing. I put the brackets underneath here on the floor so I can get it tight, and then all I gotta do is just screw down the top edge. The stiffening board. I'm going this way first so I could I'm gonna fight to put them in this way when it's installed.
Did you get the ball from there?
What's that?
Okay. Nova had a ball that wasn't ours.
Uh-oh, where did you get it from?
Allison.
It's a volleyball that we brought to our house.
But we had our volleyball made across the pool.
Uh-oh.
Whatever.
You guys want pizza for supper? What do you guys like? The crust pizza?
Sure.
Oh, crust pizza.
Now I'm just trying to figure out how to put the bed together. So I'm pretty sure this one goes here.
That one goes on the other side.
Yep, watch yourself.
And then that one goes on this side.
Yeah. And then this one goes on over here. And then we're going to reverse them so we got the same centers. Reverse the 2x2s for the same centers. Okay, so then that's going to go down like that. And then we'll screw them in.
Okay.
I guess this is going to go. Doesn't leave you much room to work inside the trailer though.
Work. Huh?
So let's take. I don't think I need these ones. I could be wrong. So, but I definitely need these long ones.
Yeah. And you definitely need this.
I definitely need that for the front, yeah.
Need those for there.
So we got 2 at the ends. And 1 at each end.
So one on that end.
1 at each end. And then a couple in the middle. One there, one here, one here. And then we got the X's up here. One here, and one here.
I think this needs to be pushed this way.
I think so it's nice and strong in the middle.
Oh, so those pieces lay down like that, they don't go up?
Something like that. Let's see.
Oh, that does make sense.
Does make a little bit of sense, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Oh, the thingy. This one.
Yeah, skinny goes over there. Now, I think I could screw these together with one screw. But it says use the L brackets. The problem with using the L brackets is, well, I'll use that in a second.
Okay.
This is why I only have so many. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then I still got to screw it to the base.
What about these?
Them are, oh, there's 12. There's a few more there. 13, 14, 15,
Over there?
16. Yeah, there's 20. Or 19. So let's build this frame first.
Are there handles so you can pull it down?
Yeah, there's some handles there so you can pull it down, yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But how are they screwing it on the outside? Ah, the corners. To hold the corners together. Huh. So why don't we do...
Are we gonna bring in that thingy?
Yeah, that comes in last. That's the shelf. It folds down into the shelf.
Able to go up and down?
It'll go up like that and down like that, but I just have to drill holes and put a pole in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, it's kind of hard to make sure it can go up and down, up and down.
yeah. Well, it's called a hidden desk bed.
So there's gonna be a desk on it?
Yep,
Oh, that thing.
that's what that shelf is. That's the desk.
Oh, so you just need a chair.
Couple of folding chairs. That's right. Put them right here.
Or even like one gaming chair or something.
What's that?
One gaming chair or something.
Maybe a gaming chair. Yeah. That's if you're a gamer.
I don't think Tyler and Lennon can go camping because there's no internet out there.
Uh-oh.
And they can't last at least a day or two without video games.
No, they need the video games, do they?
Mm-hmm. Jason plays it a little bit. He can probably last like 2 weeks without it though.
So it says to glue these
Glue?
to the, or screw the brackets to the plywood, but I don't know how that's going to work.
Yeah, how would that work? Well, if you screw it like this, through the piece of wood into that.
So after a lot of effort, you can see I got the sides up. And I have most of the bed put together. It's got to be raised about, I don't know, 6 inches or so. And I have to put the rod into the bottom to make it swivel. But as you can see, this is where we stand. So my little helper left. She informs me it's pizza time, so now I have to buy her pizza. Anyways, that's my Murphy bed to start. See if I get my buddy to come and help me put the rod in tomorrow. And we'll go from there, and then we'll have the insulation all done. Have the plywood in to put the roof vent in, 3/4 inch plywood. The rest of it's all insulated, so we're good to go. So tomorrow I'm going to try to put the rod in, pack everything up, all the tools and everything. And I'm going to run over to my buddy's house, I believe, or maybe we'll leave it here. We'll put the roof vent in. I have it sitting right there. And maybe wire in some lighting. So that's where we stand, guys. Thanks for watching.